Okay, just wanted to let you know what I did in that pause moment. You start. Okay, you put these brackets on like this. A little bit loose because we want to make it loose. So when we put the, there's the door. That's it, Jim. Alright, now these up here, I don't know, they fit, but they're kind of goofy like. It should be on level ground, but because it's not, she's kind of, oh, she undone over there, whoa. Oh. There. That might make a difference now. Okay. We could pull it back in there. Level this out, but I think something will dig underneath there and get the chickens. So we're going to have to get some kind of wire, I think, to set this down on. Yep. And there she is, set. She's up. You know, we could probably put that on wheels. You know it? Not too bad. Yeah, I can put it back in there. It's easy enough to move. Okay, it might be worth $100 now. I don't think we're gonna put the wire on now tomorrow. Oh, I see these two. This is not good. One's longer, one's shorter. Okay, we have to fix that. It should be easy enough to fix though. But that's it, man. It took about 30 minutes to put that part up. Tomorrow we'll put the tarp up. And that's not a bad little pen for $109, folks. I think it was $125 with tax and shipping. And it was free shipping, actually. So there's a frame, and I think I might pound in 4 stakes just to tie it up to. It should be solid. The wind can blow all she wants, and that thing will be great. Hopefully the wire isn't going to be a mess. So that's next. Stay tuned, folks.